Understanding Memory Bank, an easy guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, memory bank. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also give you insight into how English speakers express complex ideas in simple terms. Memory bank is a metaphorical term. A bank is a place where we store money for future use. Similarly, a memory bank refers to the place in our mind where we store memories. Just like a real bank, our memory bank keeps our memories safe, so we can retrieve them when needed. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. That vacation was so wonderful, it's definitely going into my memory bank. I keep those childhood stories in my memory bank for tough days. In these sentences, memory bank is used to describe storing cherished memories for future recollection. English, like many languages, often uses metaphors to make abstract concepts easier to understand. By comparing the mind to a bank, it becomes easier to visualize how we store and retrieve memories. This use of metaphor makes language more vivid and relatable. One common mistake is taking memory bank too literally. Remember, it's a metaphorical expression, not a physical place. Also, it's usually used for personal, nostalgic memories, not for everyday forgetfulness or memory loss. And that's all on memory bank. I hope this video helps you understand this interesting phrase and inspires you to use it in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's also about the imagery and ideas those words convey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.